A number of the city's famous sightseeing spots, such as Temple of Literature, Hua Prison, and Ngọc Temple, will be introduced to visitors on Dinh Tiên Hoàng Street. As many as 50 booths from travel agencies, hotels, airlines, and local tourism associations will be set up on Lê Street in order to introduce a number of attractive products to both local residents and tourists. Most notably, a number of delicacies from Hanoi, including Tràng Tiền ice cream, Tây Hồ lotus tea, and Giang coffee, are to be sold at the Octagonal House for guests to enjoy. Moreover, a street carnival is set to get underway on the walking trees around Hoàn Kiếm Lake at 5:30 p.m. on June 27th, with the event expected to provide plenty of excitement to local people and visitors. These activities will be jointly organized by the Hanoi Department of Culture, Sports and Tourism, alongside the Hoàn Kiếm District People's Committee, with the aim of stimulating domestic travel and reviving the tourism industry following the novel coronavirus, with a specific focus on street cultural activities.